So here's how to remove all tag photos on Facebook at once. So let's get started. First of all, let me just go to the Facebook, and then from here you need to tap on the three dots on the right upper side, which is the profile icon, and then you need to scroll it down until you find the settings and privacy. So you need to tap on that and then go to the settings, and then scroll it down until you find the profile and tagging options. So tap on that. So if you want to review the further tags, like if you want to review individually every tag that your friends do, then you can select this to so that you can review all of the tags and approve one by one. So let's just enable it, and then you need to enable this one too. All right, then go back and scroll it down to the point that activity log. All right, so tap on the activity log, and then we need to tap on this little arrow icon which is beside the your Facebook activity. So tap on that and then scroll it down, and you will find activity you are tagged in. So again tap on the arrow button, and then post and comments you are tagged in, photos and videos you tagged in. So let me just go to first this one, and there you have it. So there are lots of tags that happened to me in recent times. So if you just want to delete all of the tags, then we can simply tap on this all button, and then just simply tap on the remove tags, and all the tags will be removed. All right, so same case for the photos and videos you are tagged in. You need to select that option, and then again tap on the all button, and the all tags will be like selected. Then simply tap on the remove tags and you will have it. All right, so that's how you can simply enable the review tags as well as remove all the tags you were recently in your Facebook. So that's how you can do it. It's quite simple and easy things to do. Hope you guys get it, and have a very good day.